Alright, picture this. You're sat in your pajamas, sipping a cuppa, and earning a tidy sum without ever leaving your living room. Sounds brilliant, right? But here's the catch. Not all remote jobs are glamorous or exciting. Some are a bit dull, but they pay surprisingly well, and here's the best bit, they're always hiring. If you're after a steady income without the workplace drama, stick with me as I count down 5 boring but high-paying remote jobs you can apply for right now. Number 5, data entry clerk. Look, it's not going to win any awards for excitement, but if you're detail-oriented and can type quickly, this job is gold. You're basically inputting information into spreadsheets or databases. Check out flexjobs.com or remote.co. Just type data entry in the search bar, filter for remote, and hit apply. Number 4, remote claims processor. Insurance companies are always on the lookout for people to process claims. It's all about reviewing documents and making sure everything checks out. It's repetitive, but the pay is above average and there's always demand. Try searching claims processor on Indeed.com or directly on United Health Group's careers page. Usually you just need to upload your CV and fill out a quick application. Number 3, virtual bookkeeper. If you can handle basic accounting and are good with numbers, this one's for you. Small businesses everywhere need help managing their books. It's not thrilling, but it's reliable and can pay very well. Go to bookminders.com or belaysolutions.com, click on careers, and follow the steps to apply. Number 2, transcriptionist. You listen to audio files and type out what you hear. It's perfect if you're a fast typist and don't mind repetitive tasks. Head to rev.com or transcribeme.com, sign up. Do a short skills test, and you could start earning in no time. And finally, number 1, content moderator. Social media and e-commerce companies need people to review posts, comments, and images to keep their platforms safe. It's not the most exciting, but it's always in demand and pays well. Look at jobs on modsquad.com or search content moderator remote on LinkedIn. The application process is usually straightforward. Just upload your CV and answer a few screening questions. So, if you're after a secure, high-paying job you can do from home, even if it's not the most thrilling, these 5 have you covered. Let me know in the comments which one you'd go for, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical career tips.